think it was good.
I hope it's finished.
Yeah, I hope.
Today for 55 seconds of it.
Hi guys, today we are here at the workshop of KTM MTR and we building up 2 new race bikes, and Franco can explain which parts and what we want to do for our race bikes in 2023.
Hi guys, I'm Franco Mollo, the owner of the KTM MTR Team. And we start from one standard SMR, and then I work a lot on the engine and on the air take system modified because we need more air different from motocross. Then I made one special triple clamp with different offset where you can change 14, 16 millimeter offset with special material. I built one racing swing arm 30 millimeter more short and 20 millimeter more wide. With this we can get more traction, more feeling with the back tires, and change a lot of the handling of the bike. From this year, we start to use the WP with factory support from Austria, and we continue to use the twin brake system beating. The foot fork is different from the stock because we have to use 2 caliper, and then we did one different offset of the front axle wheel. So all the bike when it's finished is 55, 60 millimeter more short than the original. We still use the Akrapovic Evolution, full titanium. I modified the front head exhaust for get more performance for supermoto use. And we have everything ready for push hard and start to fight from the first race. We are ready to fight.
Ready to fight. Thank you, Akrapovic, for your really nice sponsorship.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, daughter has fun on Yagi, her brain fried. My lady Papa Zenny, other lady popping Molly, why she waiting on me? Yogi my area, keep on heading if you want, I drive it like you know. I don't wanna hear you, 지겹잖아 이제 넌 like I'm Bango, cutting my hair. I just keep going though, 소식껏 날 믿고 I fly non-stop, Kelly에서 New York 구름 위로 hop on, drive out and riding birds, honeyberry counting gobs. I do what I wanna do, 그게 나의 문의원, 너넨 꿈꾸지 말만 많지 just.
So my work now, my job is to find a 5.5 inch rear wheel. So where we can find it? Maybe on the top. much. And
See you next time.
See you.
Ciao.
Wow, what a cool video we did. Hey, yeah, man. I mean, it was a super cool project, the bikebuild 23 race bike. And wow, thanks to Daniel, thanks to Florian. We made a really cool video. I hope you liked it. And for sure, we want to put more stuff in the future on our channel. So let's go for a like, please, and subscribe to the channel for see us soon. Thanks, guys. Der war jetzt gescheit brutal.
Der war brutal.